from our channel. In today's video I'm going to show how to create spaces in Revit and then how to delete those created spaces in Revit. First I want to open the Revit software. Here I have installed the Revit 2023 and I'm going to open this file, Revit 2023, wait until the software is fully opened and fully operated, become fully operated. So I have an existing project which I am working on this, and I'm going to open that project. If you're working on the new project, you can go to the new tab and create new tab. So this is the project which I'm working on the energy analysis to analyze this project for the energy performance. This is the project. This project will be, it is incomplete. I'm working on this project. In this tutorial I'm going to show how to create spaces for this building and then how to remove those spaces in this building. So first we want to know that I want to show that what is exactly spaces. You might not have heard or you might not have an idea about the spaces. Spaces in the Revit are used mostly for the mechanical and energy load analysis. It gives an accurate, when we create the spaces and we identify the spaces, it will give us an accurate performance and an accurate data for that are used for the performance of energy analysis in the building. Suppose we have this room here. By creating the spaces in this room, we can show that what is exactly the area of this room, but up to what height we need this space, and we are up to which boundary area, what are the boundary area of this room. So all those information that are required for the energy analysis will be created by creating this space. If you do not introduce this space, we cannot generate the energy model for the building. So let's go, and for spaces we can go to the analyze tab, and here we have space. You can see that like this I can create the spaces like this here. When I move the cursor on the each part of the building, it shows that with the red line. So you see that red line, it appears in the boundary of that room. So I'm going to create spaces for this corner of the building here. Generally I have totally I have created 4 spaces for this building. So I just consider this for as example to show how to delete the spaces. As you can see that I have created and placed the spaces here. Again, you can check that this are the portion which are highlighting and showing. Those are the created spaces. So there is one point that I cannot delete the spaces like the other elements of the Revit. Suppose I can delete this wall element by just simply by clicking on this wall and clicking right, and then you can find multiple options such as delete or whatever it is. But for spaces we do not have this option, so it's a little bit complicated, but once we get it done, then it will become easy for us. So for this purpose I need to create a schedule for this. So for creating a schedule, go to the view tab and then click on the schedule and then schedule quantities. I need to create a schedule for the spaces which I'm going to run some analysis on this. So come to the spaces And one point that I have to mention, that in my building, this is in existing phase building, which means that the phase of this building which is created is existing. So I have to create the schedule also for the existing phase of the building, not for other phase. Building has different phases like phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, or phase demo. So if we discuss about the phases, it requires another video, and it is a lengthy topic, so we are not going to know that what are the spaces. Only just as I mentioned, will as a point here I will mention, and then create the spaces here. Create the spaces from this. We'll create the schedule for the spaces. Come to the spaces. Here we have spaces phase. Now from this phase you can select the existing phase. Okay. And what data we going to need? You can adjust according to your need and requirements of the project. Suppose I'm going to select the area and press the control button on the keyboard, and then you can add some other parameters. I will add the room name and volume also. Volume. Okay. Move this selected parameters to the right schedule field and make them order. Also, you can change the order on other settings from this formatting and these things. You can do many settings in this, but I'm not going to change. And then I will select. I will put the case, so you can see that my spaces are created in the Revit. So I want to see the energy, the created energy simulation. I will go to the Analyze tab. Here we have energy, create energy model. I deleted the previous energy model, and I'm going to create a new energy model. So create on the energy analytical model. You can see that this portion which I have created the spaces and showing in different colors, which means that it is activate, and we can do some analysis in this part. As you can see that other parts of the buildings is not selected, and we cannot even make changes. Only we can select this part which I have created the spaces for them. So for better understanding, I'm going to active the tile view, and here you can see. So just simply click on the spaces schedule. This is space number 33, 34, 36. Here we have. Suppose I have selected this space, or I have created this space in wrong way, or suppose this is not correct space, or does not require a space. So I need to delete that one. Just simply click on this space, right click and delete the row, like that. So in this way, like this, we can delete our spaces, or we can change it to the other type, which is room, or we can change the parameters such as number or like volume of the area, whatever. So I just showed that how we can delete the spaces in today's video, and please consider subscribing my channel, and please press like button if you like the video, and if you have any other suggestion or comment or questions, you can put in the comment. So thank you everyone, and have a good day.